Akong isa ka anak na manghod.
Sinasabi ko na nga, pinakialaman itong ano ko dito.
Wala namang nakialam dyan.
Meron.
Tingnan ko yung
Sakto magilid na.
tingnan ko yung mukha mo pag nagalat ka nga.
Okay. Hi.
Ay, ayan. Oh, hi, Will. Wala na akong tilapia. Oh, meron pala.
Kalaw ko.
Ay, hindi man maganda. Hindi maganda, dito na lang ako. Oh, madilim na eh. Hi, Mimi. Hi, Jip Jip. Hi, Ricky. Ricky. Rini. Hi. Tawi-tawi. Anong pangalan niya? Ano pangalan? Ha? Ano?
Mario.
Anong yung isa gusto ko? Ina.
Ano yan ni... Ano yan? Ano yan ni Ina? Hindi, kay lalaki sa Inan. Ina Raimundo. Yan, Inan Raimunda.
Kain? Oh, madilim. Sige, kain na lang kayo ha.
Hindi naman. Hindi lang yan ang...
Ay, si Uncle pala. Si Boy. Mga si Larry Kuan Boy. Kanang nang... Dili, kanang kape. Sige, ako na po yung mga tagdiwa. Puwa. Wow, good morning Manila. Good morning Manila. Manila. Wow. Tawi-tawi. Si Ananan. Dali siya yung pangalan ko, Ananan. Pangalan ako sa iya ngayon, Ananan na. Mama.
Tumayo yan si Mimi. Pag hindi mo tinubos niya, magano pa. Spicer yan.
Ay, grabe naman. Tukot ko'y natulog. Love, they're still making your coffee. Hi, love. Hi, sweetie pie. Do you need your, I got it for you. I bought the new one. Oh.
On my second bottle of vodka.
Oh, sweetie pie. I've got fruits for you.
Fruit?
Fruit, mango, and papaya for breakfast. You want some? Tell them how big the papaya is. Papaya. Tell them how big our papaya is. Big as watermelon. Oh, you did. My love, what are you doing? Get the floral apart, huh? Okay, I'll fix it. This is our laundry. Hi, Manila. Wow, nice view. They're doing laundry. Okay, I'll save that for later.
It's what you call getting your basketball stuck in the Philippines. Or they're looking down on a early morning basketball game, but the game's been canceled due to stuck ball. And they got it by throwing a rock. It's called the throw the rock play.
Walk away ko na, boy. Walk away. Sige kay Uncle, para kay Uncle. Para kay Larry, sige. Hi, Mimi. Ay, Mimi. Meron pala ang charge. Ay, andito pala. Anak, ikaw in charge sa camera, anak, ha? Very good.
Makasama sa camera eh.
Anak, narigo mo na. Narigo na yan.
Ay, imo na gikuan? Tra. Babae naman tigo.
Take the ribbon from your
Hey, that's my uncle. Uncle Boy.
Take a long, I'll let it fall.
Ayoko.
Like shadows on the wall. Come and lay down by my side. Turn early morning.
Yeah.
All I'm taking is your time. Help me make it through the night. I don't care what's right or wrong. I'll try to understand. Let the devil die tomorrow. Lord, tonight I've been a friend. Yesterday is still gone,
Whoa. Nice boy.
and tomorrow's out of time. And it's so sad to be alone. Help me make it through the night.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Here's the three girls.
Romantic kisses. Romantic kisses. Loving.
We traveled 6,000 miles just to